So now I'm going to show you how you can set up BluText for yourself. So the first thing you want to do is pair your devices using Bluetooth. In order to pair your devices using Bluetooth, you need to go into both of your devices' Bluetooth settings. It's different for every device. So after you've done that, you want to make sure that one of your devices are discoverable and the other one should be scanning. So I'm going to make my Samsung discoverable and I'm going to have my Nexus 7 scan for it. Now the Samsung is visible on the Nexus 7. I click on it to begin pairing and I get a dialog pop on both my devices and I press OK on both. So now your devices have been paired. Every device is different, so the pairing process might be different for you. At this point, we want to go ahead and install the BluText server on the phone and the BluText client on the Nexus 7. So to do that, we go to the Play Store on both devices, and you want to search for BluText. So this is the Samsung, we want to go BluText server. On the tablet, we want to go BluText client. Just go ahead and press install. So after you've installed BluText on the server and the client, open BluText up on the server. If you're using a newer device than me, then the first screen you'll see will be different, but it's pretty straightforward, so you'll be fine. In this screen, you need to set a password for the BluText server, and any client that needs to connect to the BluText server must use the same password. So here, I'll just enter my password as password, and I'll press next. As you can see, BluText is telling me that I didn't turn on Bluetooth, so just go ahead and turn on Bluetooth and everything should be okay. This main screen you see here is the whitelist. All BluText clients must be on the server's whitelist in order for it to connect to the server. In order to edit the whitelist, you click on this plus button over here and then you check on the devices that you want to allow to connect to the server. So I'm just going to check on the Nexus 7 and then you press OK. And that's it for the BluText server. Now we'll move over to the BluText client. So go ahead and open up the BluText client. Since the Nexus 7 is pretty new, I'm presented with this screen. I need to grant the app all the permissions needed. So after you've checked all the items in this screen, you press next. And since I haven't turned on Bluetooth, I'm prompted to turn on Bluetooth, so I turn on Bluetooth. And then you want to select your BluText server. For me, that would be the Samsung. Press next. Now I need to enter the password that I set on the Samsung device. For me, that's just password. Then you press next. Warning, the application will be slow during the initial phase because it's synchronizing all the contacts and the messages from the phone. Just press next. And then you just have to wait for all the messages to synchronize. After all the messages are synchronized, BluText is ready to be used. And there you have it. That's BluText. Thank you for your attention, and I really hope that you enjoy the app.